Hello! Well, in this episode of Finno-Ugric Machining, we are going to do something for the winter. Well, the winter is nearby and we are going to have very bad weather in 3 months. So, what do we have then? Let's see. Well, here is the, a Chinese flamed snow thrower. I bought it a few years back because we have a lot of snow and we have a medium-sized yard to deal with. It has this thing here. This is the working end. These blades here are supposed to make the snow in smaller pieces, and then they are thrown into the centrifugal blower, which is then blowing them out from this thing here. Then we have the controls. So this one is for going forward and going backward. Oh well, that's what it is. And then we have this, which actually you can point the snow to a known direction. Then we have this crank here, which can be used to turn that thing. Okay. Then we have 2 clutches. This one here, which works really nicely. Surprise! This is used to, when you engage it like this, it actually connects the wheel drive. But then we have the problem. This is normally when you run the engine, the working things there at the front stay still. But when this clutch is engaged, then they will start to rotate. And now we have a problem inside here. Let's see. If you look carefully, that thing here, that's not original. The original broke right away. Then I made a new one, and this is absolutely the wrong way to make it. You don't make it that way. Yeah, you don't. And that's our today's job, to make a new part for that one. So that it holds. Well, it's a wire driven. It starts from here. This is the clutch. It's somewhere there, and I don't want to dismantle this. And then you go here up. It goes down. This cable here goes up there, and we have one junction here and another here under. Well, I'm going to take it apart, and not the whole thing, but just the end here. And then I'm going to, maybe in the lathe, make a new part for that. So, yeah, that's what we are going to do today. Okay, so now what I did here, I actually cut off maybe 70 millimeters from the end of this sleeve, cleaned up everything really well, and then I cut off the really mangled end of this cable. And now it's probably okay. Well, next thing, let's see. Well, next thing is this handle. I took it off. Let's zoom in so that you can see what I mean here. So, here we have a piece of material which actually originally caused all the trouble. This, well, it's supposed to stop the movement of this one, and it does. But, well, I can live without that stop, so I will actually grind it off. I hope that the backside piece, well, I can feel a welt there, I need to go also. There is a thing backside here under which I need to get rid of as well, because otherwise it won't level itself suitably for the cable. So now cut it off from there and also do the backside. And this is done by angle grinder. Angle grinder coming. And now I will now cut off this part of the I will file off the rest. Let's see what's in the back. Let's see what's in the back side then. Yeah, there is a small thing which I also want to go away. And you don't see anything. Okay, you have to believe me. I cut it off. Let's see if I can zoom in from there. There is the piece I cut off from the backside. Yeah. Mene nyt. Okei. Ah.
Oh yeah, that's one less thing to worry about. Well, terminating a cable like that, well, there is one thing that might not be very good. Actually, when I heat it up to silver solder it there, it will also take the temper out from the cable. This makes it very malleable, and for this reason I paid special attention to that it doesn't bend it when it pulls it. Earlier, the original design was such that it actually, before I repaired it very badly, the design before that was that the cable was actually rubbing against all possible things there when you operated the clutch. And it broke the cable because it was bending it very sharply, and it had a temper, and when such cable is bent back and forth a few times so that it goes to its elastic range, out from the elastic range, so that it deforms, then it takes only a few bends and then it breaks off. And that was exactly what it did. My next solution was to have a screw there that pushes it together. Well, it didn't work at all. Well, as you could see, it was really bad. Well, this one, it doesn't come out now. I'm pretty sure of that. But the cable has lost its temper. This might be a problem in the future. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it will tolerate one winter more. So now, in the next episode we will be doing the Cyclone. Well, sorry about this episode coming here in between, but sometimes things happen. Well, till then, bye!